Hello YouTube. Thought we'd do another video here today on antenna impedance or antenna matching. Um, what they mean by that is the impedance resistance of an antenna. And you want 50 ohm as best you can. Now, unless you have a special test gear to test for this, it's kind of hard for you to really measure this. But I want to show you something on my antenna, and I've mentioned in other videos, and also I've even posted some links about the ground planes and how they should be 45 degrees at an angle on this particular 3/4 wave antenna. Now, I've been kind of playing around here a little bit, and yeah, that's pretty much exactly what it needs to be. You can see on the screen here, I do have the impedance chart up using the nano, and I got it fairly close, 49.56 ohms, and I happened to check the angle of that, and it's pretty close of being 45 exactly. So, if you're wondering what happens if that gets changed, well, let's go ahead and bend the rods up and you'll see for yourself. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to stop it. This particular software does not have an automatic refresh rate, so I have to stop it and then do my adjustments and then restart it. If you're wondering why I'm stopping it, the actual nano itself has a refresh rate on the screen, but this software does not have that, or at least I have not found a setting for that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bend these rods up, and we're going to see what happens, and you'll be able to see for yourself on the chart. I bent them up. They're not perfectly level, but that's, you'll get the idea here. And then we're going to go ahead and start this. And as you can see, at this frequency, which by the way is the middle frequency, it's the 462.550 megahertz of the GMRS channel. And as you can see, by bending those rods, I change it to 64.46 ohms at that frequency. You can see here my marker set, and if you look here, marker 1 tells you if I move this throughout the band, I can look at the ohms up here and the frequency down here. So like right here would be 460.8 megahertz at 63.65 ohms. So by just bending those does make a big difference. And I'm going to go ahead and stop it, the software again. And we will rebend them to the approximate 45. And like I said, without having the equipment, it's kind of hard for you to measure this. But you'll get an idea here. Let's see if I'm even close. I don't know if I'm really close or not, but we'll check it here. 47. One's a little bent, a little more than the other one, but you get the idea. So yes, that is that 45 degrees is pretty right on the money. So keep that in mind when you're doing your antennas. If you don't have fancy gear to actually measure it, make sure you keep your radials, your ground plane rods at a 45 degree angle. And you'll be pretty close to 50 ohm impedance. So I just thought I'd share that. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. And please subscribe. Thank you.